Okay, so the period here is 2 pi over 3. The period here is 2 pi over 5. It's even smaller. This is actually 8 pi, really large. And this is 2 pi times by 5 over 3, so 10 pi over 3. Okay, so these two are, well, this was extremely large. These two are kind of small. This is a medium size. Okay, so let's say pi is about there. Okay. 2, 3. Actually, that's not good. That scales off, right? It's pi is about there. Let's cut it in half. 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi. We'll make it here now. 7 pi, and 8 pi. Okay, so the largest one's going to go all the way over there. So C is going to look like this, right? So this is 1, negative 1. So nice big graph. Okay. Anyways, A is the period is 2 pi over 3. So that's gonna look that right there will be 2 pi over 3.
Oh my god.
Right? So it's really skinny. That's pi over 3 right there. 2 pi over 5 is, so you gotta think about pi over 5. Pi over 5 is what? Pi over 5 is a fifth of the size of a pi, right? So it's like, here's pi over 5. 2 pi over 5 would be about there. So let me zoom in a bit. And it's gonna be really, like, even if I zoom in, it's kind of hard to draw it by hand here. Okay. So the first tick is pi over 5, and the second tick is 2 pi over 5. Okay.
Wait, we just have to label the...
Yeah, so you have to label the points properly. This is going to be, the maximum point is going to be pi over 10, right? And 1.
2.
Pi over 10 and 1. Right? And this is going to be 3 pi over, right? This point right here will be 3 pi over 10 and negative 1. Okay, so we just drew A, B, and C, right? And D is 10 pi over 3. So that's what? So that's 3 pi and pi over 3. So that's about there. So it's 3 pi, and we have to go another third of a pi. Okay. So, yeah, just graphically. So where is the middle point going to be, guys? Yes. So the midpoint's going to be 5 pi over 3. And what about the quarter point?
5 pi over 6.
Yeah, 5 pi over 6. Okay, so look like that, right? And then here will be 5 pi over 6, so it's going to be 15 pi over 6, right?
5 pi 2.
Yeah, which you can reduce. 15 pi over 6 is reducible to 5 pi over 2. Okay, that's it. So black, orange, blue, green, 4 graphs.
So how do you know we're 10 or around 3
Oh,
pi?
10 pi over 3. So I knew that was a little bit after 3 pi because this, if you change that in mixed form,
Yeah.
that's 9 pi plus pi over 3, right? So that's 3 pi plus pi over 3. That's how I knew that.
Okay.